Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going on a shopping. I have 700 Kenyan shilling. So I want to see what I'll get for that money. Yeah, stay tuned, watch the video till the end. I have my shopping lists. Let me show you and let's go. Here is my shopping list. I want the unga, ngano, sugar, bar, soap, downy and rice. But I don't think if I'll get rice at the supermarket. But let's go and see what we'll get. If we'll get all of this at 700 Kenyan shilling. So we are going to take a matatu to the supermarket. Yep. Today is Sunday. I don't know if I'll get matatu, but let's see. I'm going the other side. You see the other side? Yeah. To take a matatu. Yeah, Quick Mart. That is the Quick Mart. Guess the place. Which branch is this? Guys, here is my tray. So let's see, my budget is 700 Kenyan shilling. So let's see what we'll get. I'm starting with the wood shop, soap. Let's go and care. Tissue. we are done with our shopping. Let's go. I'll show you what I got with 700 Kenyan shilling. I'm going to take some vegetables, so let's go. Here with my shopping, so I want to take some vegetables for lunch. So we go. I'll show you what I'm taking. Broccoli, I don't know what. I go. Today is Sunday, so everyone is selling. Sasa? Ti? Ha? Nieke. Nipe hiyo. So guys, we are done with our shopping. Let's go home and I'll show you what I got. So guys, this is what I got for 700 Kenyan shilling. Here. Unajua mpaka nilikuwa nimeweka budget. All purpose flour, maize flour, sugar. This is sugar. We have soap and tissue. Please do not forget to subscribe. Give me a like. See you to my next video. Bye.